Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is just gonna be another sort of X-Maxx bash. I just want to give this servo another bit of a go. I really didn't get to test it much before it broke last time, so I thought, why not, I'll take it up and have a bit of a bash. So much better. While I'm here, I may as well quickly give you a look at the turning circle, because it has improved so much. So it's really good at low speeds. Really good. And that's the surprising thing. Oh, that was cool. All right, now left. Yeah, same thing. Low speed. Perfect. Oh, what's the tip? I wouldn't mind seeing a wide kit put out for the X-Maxx. That'd be a brilliant idea. I know it's a big truck already. I noticed the Arrma Outcast 8S was slightly wider, and it does seem to have a bit more stability than this thing. So yeah, a wide kit would be really good for the X-Maxx. Oh, almost. Nah. Got some more dogs. Oh, something's a bit wobbly in there. I think they're the wheels. Oh. Oh, there goes the buddy. Oh, that's a rock.
Oh no.
That's a rock. Don't mind doing that when it involves rocks, but not rolling over the top of one. Oh. I can do cool wheelie things now. I've got steering. Oh, the tire's completely gone. That's full throttle. Full throttle. Thanks for watching, guys. And don't forget, like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down below.